And welcome class 7 students. Today in this class we are going to end the exercise 16 from the factorization chapter. Exercise 16 contains 30 sums and among them majority we have solved. So today with this class I will solve 4-5 sums more and then end this exercise 16. And next class I will start some other exercise 17. So this is the end class of exercise 16. So as you can see I have copied one sum. That is sum number 24 from the book, and it is given in sum number 24 that a square c square plus a square d square plus b square c square plus b square d square. So among these four expressions you have to select the first two. You have to consider the first two expression, and in this first two expression a square is the common factor. So what is remaining? Remaining is c square from the first and d square from the second, that you will write as it is. Now in these two, the leftover two expressions, you can see b square c square and b square d square. B square is common, it is present in both, and remaining is c square plus d square. So as you can see we have taken common from the two expressions in the first and two expression in the last. So we have taken the common factors. Now consider these two expressions. In these two expressions what is common? C square d square is common. C square plus d square is a common that we have taken, and remaining is a square in the first expression and b square in the second expression. So a square plus b square. So this is how we will solve sum number 24. As you can see we have to take common and then solve the sums. Now I will solve sum number 23, just the sum before this, sum number 23. Sum number 23, it is given xy minus z minus yz plus x minus yz plus x. So what we will do is we will arrange the sum. We will keep x in the front, x plus xy, and then minus z minus yz. We will arrange it a little bit. Why? In order to take common. In order to take common from the last two terms and the first two terms. The first two terms and the last two terms we will take common individually. From the first two terms x will be taken as a common, then 1 plus y will remain. Again from the last two terms we can see minus z is present in both the factors. So minus z we will take common, and then 1 plus y will be remain as other factors. Now we can see in these two expressions, we will compare these two expressions, and we can see 1 plus y is the common factor. It is present as a factor in both the expressions. So 1 plus y I will take common, and then x minus z I will take common. I will keep it in the other bracket. So 1 plus y into x minus z is the answer. 1 plus y, why we have taken this? Because it is a common factor, and remaining is x minus z, that we will keep in other bracket. This is the end of sum number 23. Now we will solve sum number 25. Sum number 25, let's see. Sum number 25, it is given that p minus q m plus n plus p. P minus q in one bracket and m plus n plus p in other bracket. Again q minus r plus q minus r in one bracket, and then m plus n plus p in the other bracket. So as you can see the first two expression and the last two expressions. So m plus n plus p is a common factor. M plus n plus p is a common factor, and that you have to take first. Now suppose m plus n plus p is present in both the expression as a common factor. So now you have taken m plus n plus p as a common factor. Then what is remaining? Remove m plus n plus p and imagine the remaining. The remaining will be p minus q plus q minus r. That's what you have to do simply. Now you can see minus q and plus q will be cancelled. So your answer will be m plus n plus p in one bracket and p minus r in the other bracket. In this way you will solve the sums. Now let's do another sum. Sum number 27. I am rubbing number 25 in order to solve sum number 27. Sum number 27, let's see what is given there. In sum number 27, it is given 2xy plus 3xz. 2xy plus 3xz plus 2ay plus 3az. So, how you will solve the sum? If you can arrange it a little bit, then 2xy plus 2ay, let's see by arranging how it can be solved. 2xy and 2ay we have kept. These two factors I am talking about, these two we have kept first, arranged first, and then we are keeping 3xz plus 3az. Now, what is common in these two? In these two expressions, the common is 2y. 2y is present in both the expression. What is remaining is x plus a. And in the remaining two expression, we can see 3z. 3z is present in both the expression and remaining is x plus a. That's why we have arranged it earlier in order to take the common factors outside the bracket. So here we can see in these two expression, we can see x plus a as a common. So x plus a you will take common and remaining will be 2y plus 3z in other bracket. So this is how we will solve. Last lesson, let us solve sum number 29 is today's last sum that I am going to solve in this video. Let's see. I think you are getting the sums because these sums are already been done in the online classes. Now sum number 29, the last sum, it is given that xp plus q, yp plus q, very easy sum, plus yp plus q plus zp plus q. xp plus q, yp plus q means x into p plus q, y into p plus q plus z into p plus q, and there is a plus after each expression. Now in this, among these three, p plus q is the common factor that you will keep in one bracket, and in the other bracket obviously x plus y plus z is remaining. So here the sum ends and the exercise also ends. Exercise 16 also ends over here. So I hope whatever I have explained in exercise 16, whatever sums I have done, maximum sums is done in the online classes as well as provided in the video also. So practice these sums well because these are going to come in the second unit test exam, and the PDF is also provided. So if you see any description box, please click the link to solve the to get the PDF of the solved sums. Though I will do all the sums in the online classes, but for further requirement you can see the solved PDF. So I hope whatever I have explained of exercise 16 you have understood. So wait till my next video where I will start solving sums of exercise 17 from the factorization chapter, which is also a part of your second unit test syllabus, algebra part. So till then, goodbye.